How to download MySQL Installer for Windows 11. Hey everyone, let's get started. So first of all, open any of your browser and search for MySQL Installer download. Then open the first link provided officially by the MySQL Installer. Now to download, simply click on this download button. It will drag you to another page. Hereby you can log in or sign up for free, or you can just click on no thanks, just start my download. Doing so will start the download. Now you have to open the installer file. Once that is open, you will notice that the windows will start configuring the MySQL installer. Make sure that you give access to it by clicking on yes whenever it asks for permissions. Once that is done, the installation will begin. First of all, you can choose the setup type, that is server only, client only, full or custom. If you want all the download by yourself, you can choose on full. Now click on next. Here you have to click on execute to start downloading. This might take a while, so make sure to wait patiently. Once all the download has been completed, it will then move to the next step. But before that, click on next, and again for the installation, click on execute. This will also now start installing all the files. Again, once that is completed, click on next. Again, tap on next button. Here you can change different networking types, or you can directly click on next and keep it in default. Once that is done, you'll be on another authentication method page, whereby you have to click on next and give your password. Make sure to give a strong password and make sure not to forget it. Once that is done, you can click on next. Hereby you can choose how to run Windows service as, which is standard service or custom. Similarly, you can even select the server file permissions, give permission, and then you have to click on execute to apply all the configurations. After that, click on next again. You can change the names of the host name, port. Now you can click on finish. Again, click on next. It will then give you connect to server option. Give the password that you gave before and click on check. If the connection is set up, you will see connection successful. Now click on execute. This is the final step. After this, you can click on finish, which will drag you to another page whereby you have to click on next, and then finally your installation is completed. And just by that, you can use your installer of MySQL. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.